Hello YouTube, so this is a light aircraft. As you can hear, at probably about 1,000 feet, maybe 1,500. Oh, for God, for goodness sake. Okay, right, and over to our right we have that. Now, are they seeing that moon like that? No. No, they're not. There's no footage anywhere in the world. So what does that mean? Being a pilot, this looks actually like a bit of a night flying, but not too far. They're heading back to the airport now. Or going round, you might even be on final there. Possibly, there's no wind. Yeah, so they're not seeing that, okay? You don't see that. And believe me, I've tried to catch it. And you can't. You do not see it. Cheers, KJ.